Now to the COVID-19 crisis in Georgia. Here at 11 Alive, it is our mission to bring you facts, not fear. Let's break down the numbers to give you some perspective. Here's a look at the key metrics we're watching. The State Department of Public Health reporting more than 3,600 new infections yesterday. That is the second highest since the pandemic began. This past week, we averaged an additional 800 cases per day, beyond what we saw just the week before. Our hospitals are also dealing with an influx of patients. The orange line shows the number of people so sick they need serious medical care. And while we're still below April's high hospitalization numbers, we know there's a lag here. The past week's new cases won't be reflected in this data for several more days.